Alright guys, we got a sick deal on these 3 Woodland Camo spring assisted knives. They're normally about 12 bucks a piece. We're selling all 3 for $19.95 total. So you get all 3 of them for less than 20 bucks. They have your typical 440 stainless blade, but they can be sharpened up pretty nice. But out of the box, they make a respectable little knife. They all have a stainless steel removable belt clip, and they all got a pretty strong action. That one is mean. Listen to this snap. You can pick them up today for $19.95 for the set at hanzoswords.com.